So SAP Java, which means NetWeaver System Administration. As part of this one, so SAP Java installation. First of all, to work on the system, Java installation is required. So we have to work on the Java installation part here. For this one, as part of the software requirement here, we need SWPM tool. We need SWPM tool here and Java exports, right? ECC, Java, S4, Fury, how we have, they need the Java exports, kernel, DB client we required, right? And SAP host agent we required. These are the things we required to perform the agent. And also the space, software, hardware side, CPU, memory, space. So those things also you required here. But Java, right? So minimum it's required so 16 GB you required. Go to the SWPM tool, click on the SAP INST. Okay. So the tool will be launched here. SAP SWPM tool here. So SAP SWPM tool will be opened. So any installation. So common tool SWPM, Software Provisioning Manager. In this tool, we can do the all kind of work and everything here. In this tool, we can do the all kind of work and everything. So we can do it here. This is what we can do it in the systems here, right? So that is the one thing here. Once the tool is started, it will open the URL in the browser. That URL we can open, we can give the inputs, then Java system will be installed. Java SL system will be installed. So there are the multiple use cases here. Either if you want to ADS, some BPAC, BPC, and some other portal, PO, whatever you want to do, all those things we can do it by using the Java systems here. Java systems here. So here the main thing is like here, it will open the URL. So this is the URL. What I will do here, this link I will open in our XAMPP server. Okay. Just want to check the IP. What is the IP, internal IP assigned for this host? If you go to the details here, 118 is the internal IP. So why this is required here? So here you see with host name, we are getting the site cannot be reached here. So what I'm doing here, so here I need to just change the SAP practice. Yeah, 118 common SAP practice. SAP practice 118. Same. Is there? It's correct. But why it is not opening? Any guesses from anyone? Another reason, but any guesses from anyone? So why the SWPM tool URL is not opening from outside of the server? Only within the server, we know it is opening, right? So it's opening, it is asking the user ID password. So I want outside of the server. So why it is not opening? Any guesses?
It may be due to RFC.
RFC. No, this is
Post PC entry need to update in that respective file means
okay.
in the respective server.
No, it's open. It's already there, right? You can see here. So there is a 118 and SAP practice that is there.
Because of port numbers.
So port means yeah, that's correct actually. There's a port. A port we have to put into the so whitelist. Whitelist means we have to into the allowed list. We have to keep it here. So we have to in the allowed list we have to keep it. So which means we need to open the firewall. In the firewall we have to let's just check the roles, inbound roles and outbound roles here, right? Inbound and outbound roles we can check it out here. So let's open the port here, sorry, firewall. So main thing is here, you are connecting from other same network, you are connecting from others to here. So definitely there must be a ports here. So we need to check like what are the ports are allowed here. What are the ports are allowed here. And okay, you can see here only two ports are configured here, right? Only 1129 and this one. So but our installation port number is 4237. 4237. So this port is not allowed. This port is not allowed here. So now we kept into the inbound list. Now you see here from the system, just check it out. Let's see whether you are able to connect it or not. Yes, you are able to connect now. So we can rule out if anything you are unable to open from outside of the server. Inside of the server, not required to open any port. Inside of the server, it will not touch any gateway, right? If any person is coming to your home from outside, he will enter into via gate, he will enter into your home, right? So, but if a gateway is closed, firewall is a firewall is a security gate. Firewall is closed, which means how can we open the connection? That is also one technical logical thinking, right? So that is the important logical thinking is very important here, right? So that's what we need to check in the systems here. Then we need to provide the user ID password here. So now we can able to proceed the all those things here.
Ravi, in Linux, where do we can see these ports?
There is a maybe Linux, it's very difficult for you guys. Otherwise, what you can do, there is a commands lsof space. There is some commands are there. So those Linux side, we can check it out whether it's open or not. Commands are there. By using the commands, we can check these ports are open or not. So NetWeaver, this is a NetWeaver Java 7.5. So here installation we are doing application server, not the above, and Java we are doing, and standard installation, standard system here, right? Standard system, standard installation, this we are doing here. So here start with the new installation here. So it will ask the Java SID, Java instance number, same as like SAP above, how we have done. Similarly, it will ask the all the details here.
Ravi, what is the major difference between NetWeaver and EHP?
NetWeaver is the NetWeaver, actually SAP first stack they have delivered is the NetWeaver product. Then after that, so EHP is the real-time business suite systems. Every real-time transactions will happen in the ECC systems only. So NetWeaver is the foundation for every software package. So NetWeaver is the foundation here. Foundation means it's a base package, base means so it's a core package for each and everything.
For ABAP systems.
ABAP systems. And the Java systems also, this NetWeaver ABAP is there, NetWeaver Java is there. For ABAP systems, NetWeaver is the foundation. For Java systems also, it's a foundation. Foundation means a basement. It will provide the basic functionalities, basic core functionalities will provide. CRM also it's required the NetWeaver functionality, NetWeaver system. So NetWeaver you have to install on top of the CRM components. NetWeaver install it, you have to install the SRM, CRM. So Fiori components, S4, so ECC. So like that, So base we have to install it on top of NetWeaver. Suppose if you install the ECC directly, it will ECC embedded with the NetWeaver stack plus ECC components will come. That is common. So but CRM, if you want to install it, so NetWeaver will come, ECC will come. Fiori, if you want to install NetWeaver, you have to install it. Then on top of Fiori components, you need to add it. So these things we have to do it. So base actually, NetWeaver is the base for each and every SAP product.
Okay. Normally in ABAP system, we can maintain in SM, ICM also, right? In the ports.
Yes.
So instead of doing in the OS level, we can keep in the ABAP.
No, that is the ABAP ports. This is the OS level ports. So
Okay.
ABAP normally this is within the system, SMICM ports will open. So yeah, SMICM ports also we need to open in the firewall. Why? Because within the system you are connecting, that is fine. But if you are connecting from the outside of the system, external systems, so that time outside within the server no one open, right? Every people will log in from outside of their jump servers, and out time these ports, SMICM ports should be open status in the firewall. Then only they can connect it. Yes, we have to open in the those are the application specific ports. So then application level it should be activated. So there is a JVM it is asking. So I think we have not downloaded the JVM file. So let's download the JVM file here. So here we can just download the JVM file here. I think JVM file we missed to download in the server here. You can see. So there is no JVM file here. Let's open here. Let me download the JVM. Let me check whether we have JVM are available or not. No JVM file. SAP softwares. Directly let me open in the server. The service marketplace authentication is happening. So it will Yeah, this is the blockers. That's why we have to download all the packages in advance. So here, so JVM also along with this one SAP JVM also is required. Java virtual machine, the JVM file also we have to download it. So this is the one of the additional file for Java systems which we have to so download it for the installation purpose here. This we have to download it. So in the software center. The JVM 8.1. We can select the which version, so which operating system. So we can select that operating system here, and we can download the respective JVM file. We can download it here, right? So just only thing is operating system here. So ours is the Windows. So just scroll down. Ours is the Windows 64-bit version. So then, so Windows version we can download JVM source file. The main thing is for Java systems is some URLs, browsers related functionalities it will provide it. So few of the users, they will not directly access our SAP backend systems here through via portal they will access. Suppose like example, irctc.com. So suppose like we are accessing the browser based URL. So then the some tiles, some screens, so some user interfaces, those things we are getting, right? So then after that, that kind of that screens, portal pages and everything we can create in the portal screen, the developer he can create it. So that whenever he click on that icon, it will go and backend, it will pull the data. Backend means our ECC systems only again. It will go pull the data of the our ICP systems and ECC, and so that's the reason we can use this portal systems also. The people will use the portal systems as well here, right? So that is the thing here. See, it is getting downloaded. So SAP means it's not the just one SAP product here. There are the multiple products here. Multiple products we have to install it. Multiple things we have to do that one. The only thing is once the Java system is ready, some initial configurations, then after that, some initial configurations and all those things we have to. So like SLD, initial configurations, system copy, Java, those related things we have to. So few parts are there which are very important. So those things we can cover it in the 2-3 days. Main thing is the Java installation. Java system should be ready. That is the main part here. So that's do today, we'll complete today installation. Then we can discuss about the administration topics of Java, which are important that we can discuss. Yeah, Java file is ready. So what I can take it out, I will go to the softwares. I can make it in the here. So our Java system also ready here. Okay. So then we can provide the Java location where you downloaded the softwares and everything in the SAP softwares. Then JVM, just file and click on the next button. So it will refer the Java file as well here. So it will read the Java file, then kernel, So all those things it will ask one by one, one by one. So then we need to provide the all the details here. Right? So Java file is available. Just click on the next button. The next one is like a so some details it will ask, I think DB. So Java components it is asking. So Java exports, in the exports, these files are available. Java export files are there. OS, INDP, UT. So these files are available in the exports. So if you go to the exports location here, so export, this is the exports location here. So here, something like OS, INDP, this is the file folder location it is asking here, J2EE. Then we have to provide that location here. It will refer the all the packages. So here Java files, Java packages are like a .sca. Normally our ABAP packages are like .sa, or here Java components, the packages extension is .sca. Those are the Java extension files. SAP compressive component archive or compression archive, there is a format. SAR means SAP archive. This is the SAP components archive. Then the naming convention .sca files. So it will refer the all the files, whatever the files we have, it will refer the all the files. So this is the export file, Java export file here. So here we have the so folders are there, multiple folders are there in the Java exports. If the above export only export one, export 3. If it's Java, we have the multiple folders are there here. In these multiple folders, it will refer the all the files, it will refer it, all the files, it will refer it here. All the files, whatever the files we have, it will refer the all the files here. So then once it refers, then once it is referred here, then it will provide the, so it will read it, all the files, it will read it here in the system. You can see it here in the details, what files it is referring and all the information. See, the logs are getting updated, you can see here. The logs checking is important here. So checking the logs and etc. So then see here, now this is a very important thing here, right? This is a very, very, very important. Which product instances you are going to be installed, means which platform you are going to install it in our systems here. So like you are going to ADS and BI Java systems also, BPM, Central Processing Scheduling Tool, and EP Core Enterprise Portal. So EP portal as well, right? So then what you are going to So install. So whatever the products you want to install it in your systems, these are all the products you need to so download it. It's not only just plain vanilla system, right? You need to also the portal systems also you required, and the ADS systems also you required, right? So all these things we have to enable it. All those things we have to, is like NWDI development infrastructure here. So these all are the Java products here. So Java means it's NetWeaver 7.5 base, but after that we have the how we have the ECC, CRM, SRM functionalities. How we have for Java side also we have the these all are the Java products here, right? What are the functionalities you want to include in this system here? You need to enable those functionalities and click on the next button here. Here ADS and the portal, the EP portal, runtime portal, enterprise portal, those two things I have so selected here. Those two things I have selected here. So here SID for SID for the Java system here. So what SID we can give it here? Portal system, Java systems, right? So NetWeaver Java NJP like that I'm giving here. Okay, NetWeaver Java development or NetWeaver Java so system, NetWeaver Java products, something like that I'm giving the system here. By seeing this one, we will come to know, okay, this is a NetWeaver Java system and the environment is the production, something like that. Okay, so here so FQDN is not required. Uncheck, click on the next button. Next one is the OSINDEP folder. It is asking the OSINDEP folder. Go to the SAP softwares and here data units, OSINDEP software. Next. The password for all users here. So I'm setting the common password here. As part of the Java installation here, they are the users will be created. For ABAP installation, how the SAP start DDSC here, one is the administrator user for Java and J2W underscore admin and J2W underscore guest. So these users, SAP JSF, these users will be created. These users will be created for the Java system side.
Ravi, initial password where we will get it? By one we have to create it or in the
We have to create it here. From here itself, we need to create. Now we have entered the initial password, right? That is the password for the super users. After that, we can, if you want to change it by logging to that user, that password, then we can change it. But initially, so in the during the installation time, whatever the thing the thing we are giving, that is the initial password. That is the password for these users. So above SAP practice is the server name. So new SAD creation. Okay. So here the kernel files it is asking. Then we can go to the SAP ECC and SAP softwares kernel folder. We can give it. Click on OK button. Then it will refer the kernel files. So it is referring kernel files. Only reading the packages are it will taking some time here. So not only here, in a SAP, very larger databases also, in larger RAMs and everything. So this reading these packages will take some time actually, the giving the inputs and everything. Yeah, see how much time it is taking based upon the files. So it will refer all the files, it will read all the files and everything. Mainly it will refer the manifest file here. That is the main thing here, manifest. So it contains the version information, signature of the SAP. So that related items will come under the .mf file here, manifest file here. That is the, so SAP always look, so that is manifest file. So while extracting, it will refer that manifest file. So if that is good, then it will take you to the next steps here. Yeah, I think it's done. Kernels are done. Yeah, all are available. So that's great. Great thing. Only reading the some SWPM reading is taking time. Means extracting, reading. It will validate it. Each and everything. It will validate it as WPM tool. It will not like blindly accept the files and it will go next step and during the installation it will create, will not create, it will create the problems here. So it will clearly validate it. If the file is valid, then so then only it will go to the next step here. Okay, honestly, but not fine. Yes. This is the normal prerequisite. They are saying that the swap size is mandatory. For Windows systems, always it will create a problem swap size. So that's fine. Actually, we can ignore that one. Later also we can configure it here. And host agent also we can uncheck. Why? Because host agent already exists in your server, in this server, in this Linux box. So it's not required. Next one is the J2EE INST. So next one is like a, in the same software here. You can see J2EE INST here. J2EE INST. This is the one it is asking. Then provide the path here. Then it will take you to the next step here. So like that, it will ask the all the files. If the above, one time if you select the export folder, it will take you to the all the steps here. But here Java, individually we have to provide. Next one is the JDMP folder path here, JDMP. So where is that JDMP here? SAP softwares. So JDMP. So just click on the next button. Say JDMP signed and accepted. So this will come in the Java export only, all the subfolders and everything here. In the Java export only, all the subfolders and everything will come into the list. So database files, 4 files are enough. So 4 data files. SAP data 1, data 2, data 3, data 4, like that actual data will resides in that data folds only. So it will create the 4 data files, small systems, larger systems 8, medium systems 8, larger systems 16, like that. The data files, the structure layout will be defined here. So instance numbers it is asking here 0 to 03. If you want to keep the 0 to 03, that is fine. Otherwise, you can also keep the 10, 10, 10, 10, 11 or 20, 21. Just sequence numbers you can keep it. So that is also fine. That is also we can keep it here. Okay, so JC, Java, JC restriction. Normally there is no options. Mandatory, we need to go to the unlimited. Means Java security settings. We can go to the unlimited. and SLD, no SLD destinations. So now review parameter section. See Java, it's a JVM file, and what are the product you have installed. You want to revise, you can select, and this one you can again reselect all those things here. Here ADS is the commonly used, and enterprise portal, EP portal we have used here, SID and SID instance number and the kernels, all those things we have selected here. Just click on the next button, then see here, now Java will start doing the installations and everything here. Now Java will be installed in the next 3 hours maximum. Java will be ready for the installations and everything here. So this is the way we have to do the installation of the Java systems here. After the installation, we need to do the some post configuration activities and everything. So that we will see. So first of all, we should complete the installation here. So they are the steps same as like above. So creating the users, same as like above system. Only thing is Java. So exports are different. Here for above, here we have the import above. Import above step is the very long run fence here. Here is the import the Java dump is the very long running step here. Remaining under the normal system only this step will take longer time here. For above, import above, that is the step it will take time. Here also import Java, that will take time. Remaining and all the normal procedure only, normal installation only. So that will perform the Java installations and everything here. Okay. So this is the Java installation. Once the Java system is ready, we need to access the Java. There is no SAP login pad for the Java systems. We have to access through URL only. Through URL only we have to access. Then after that, so we need to discuss about some of the administration topics about the Java. So NWA, system information, and user management, SLD. So there are some things are there here. So those things we need to discuss, and Java patching using some tool, and the telnet tool. So these things we have to discuss. So these things will be simple, but only thing is installation and URL is ready. So then we can discuss about the remaining topics. Okay. So we'll leave the system to be up and run, to be run installation to continue. Then tomorrow we'll open the Java. After installation, what we have to do and what is the our scope of items here. Those things will discuss about the Java system side. Okay. So only thing is we need to wait till completion of the Java